Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Textdomain. In this video I am going to show you how to do all the assignment operators in C language. So let's get started. The first step is to write int, and then let's write I as a variable and assign 1 as its value. Then we also write j and assign a value to it. Now let's know the value of this first. In the same way, let's find the value of j as well. Now let's write I is equals to I plus 1. This is the formula for add assignment operator, and we can write add assignment operator also as j plus is equals to 1. To make it easy to understand, I wrote this in the both ways by giving I and j as two different variables and assigning same value I 1. Now let's write the final statement printf. J. Now let's say the final statement get ch and close the program. Now let's build the program. 0 errors and 0 warnings. So now let's run the program. Here you can see the initial value of I and j are 1 and 1, and the final values are I plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2, and then j 1 plus 1 is 2. So this you can write the add assignment operator as I is equals to I plus 1 or j plus is equals to 1. Not only 1, you can give any number you want to do the assignment operator. In the similar way, we can also do subtraction. Just changing the sign minus as well as here. And let's give the value of I as 5 and even the value of j as 5. Now let's again build the program and then run it. As I previously said, the initial values are same. I and j are 5 and 5, and the final results are I minus 1, so it's 4, and the j value is also 4. And you can also do the product as same just by giving star and here also star, and you'll see the result. Build the program and then run it. The initial and final values are the same because any number multiplied with 1 gives the same number, and even the division is the same, just divided by 1 and divided by 1. To make it clear, let's give 5. Now again let's build the program and run it. The initial values are 5 and the final result is 1, since 5 by 5 is 1. And now let's find the remainder as well. Remainder is by giving modulus sign. Now again let's build the program and run it. The initial values are 5 and the final results are 0. If you get any doubt while doing the program, enter your doubt in the comment section and we'll try to clarify it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notifications about our every upload.